Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen broth easy. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need good quality water, bones such as chicken or pork, and aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions. Don't forget kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms to boost that savory umami flavor. These simple components are the foundation of a delicious broth. Next, prepare your bones by blanching them briefly to remove impurities. Then, place the blanched bones, along with your aromatics and kombu, into a large pot. Cover everything with water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, ensuring it never boils rapidly. Skim off any foam that appears on the surface to keep your broth clear and clean. As your broth simmers, it's time to enhance its umami. Add dried shiitake mushrooms during the final hour of cooking. Once the broth is ready, strain it. Now, season your broth with soy sauce, mirin, and a pinch of salt. Taste carefully and adjust to your liking. A small dash of sesame oil can add a wonderful aromatic finish. Finally, strain your finished broth through a fine mesh sieve to ensure it's perfectly clear. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store this delicious ramen broth in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, it freezes beautifully for several months, ready for your next ramen craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.